Hey, what's up, Cardano holders? So this is the latest update. Never miss this update, my brothers, to understand better now to what's the prediction, what's the upcoming time, and what's the opinion, my brother. To this is selling time, holding time, or buying time. Can Cardano is moving off? Can they jump off, my friend, in upcoming time or not? Let's check out, my friends. But kindly, before I get started this video, I request you, my brother. Kindly, before I get started this video, I request you to subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. ABS Tech channel is one of the unique channel today will guide you. Thank you so much for everyone. Alright, so let's check out, my friends, the last 24-hour chart. First of all, to what's going on. Absolutely, first of all, we need to predicate this coin, and after that, my friends, I will give you the proof. So you can see, my brother, after a very good jump, my friends, you can see they fails down. But definitely after a failure they take a jump. You can see every cryptocurrency is moving in this circulation. After a jump they fails down, and after a failure they take a jump. So if you can see, my brother, absolutely after this failures they also take a very good jump. So it's mean to upcoming times they will go up in the moon now, my friends. So absolutely we understand, my friend, and this after this chart they move upwards in upcoming time. Let's check out, my friends, the last 1 hour chart to what's going on. The last 1 hour chart is going to be positive or not. Absolutely, my friends, you can see here I will tell you I predicate this coin to Cardano is moving upward in upcoming. So absolutely this is right, my brother. If you can see here this time Cardano price change occur 1.16%, they moving upward. So definitely this is very good change occur now. 1.55 USD dollar is the latest price. I hope, my friend, in upcoming time they will hit 2 USD dollar just and only in a few days. So kindly holders, you need to hold and wait for the end of month. Thanks for watching, Cardano holder. Please like this video, subscribe this channel, and also press the bell icon for videos notification.